Hello students, welcome to the lecture standard 8 chapter number 8 comparing quantities exercise 8.3. Our next example is 6. Question: Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum. So now find the difference in amounts he would pay after 1.5 years if the interest is counted for compounded annually and compounded half yearly. We have two formula difference for compounded annually and compounded half yearly. In both the cases we found the amount and we have difference. We make the difference of these amounts. First we count for compounded annually. Compounded annually, okay? But P is equal to rupees 80,000, R is equal to rupees 10 interest 10%, but N is equal to 1.5 years. So we count for 1 plus 1.5 years. Okay, for 1 year we found for compound interest, and for half year we found for simple interest. So now count for 1 year. So now E is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. P means 80,000, 1 plus R means 10 upon 100 raised to N is 1. So now 80,000 as it is, 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 1 plus 1 upon 10 raised to 1. So now 80,000 multiplied by 10 ones are 10 plus 1 is 11 upon 10 raised to power means what? 0 0 cut. 11 8s are 88. So now your answer is 88,000. This is for 1 year. And okay, we have next find for a half year in simple interest. Okay, so now simple interest is equal to PRN upon 100. Okay, P is equal to rupees 88,000. Okay, next amount R is equal to 10% and N is equal to 1/2 year. Okay, both are different method. So now simple interest, P means 88,000, R means 10, 1/2 multiplied by 100. 0 cut, 0 cut, 0 cut, 0 cut. 2 44 is 88. So simple interest is equal to rupees 4400. So now total interest he pays after 1.5 years. Okay, so now first interest is for 88,000 plus rupees 44,000. Now 92,000. Sorry, 92,400. So total interest need total amount he pays after 1.5 year. Total amount he pays 92,400 rupees. Now next thing is for now our next thing is for compounded half yearly. Okay, so now P is equal to rupees 80,000. R is equal to 10% and N is equal to 1.5 years is equal to 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 years. So now for half yearly amount A is equal to P in bracket 1 plus R upon 200 raised to 2N. P means 80,000. 1 plus R means 10 upon 200 raised to 2 multiplied by 3 by 2. 0 0 cut. 80,000. 1 plus 1 upon 20. 2 2 cut. Power is 3. So now 80,000. 21s are 20 plus 1 is 21 by 20 raised to 3. So now amount is equal to 80,000 multiplied by 21 upon 20, 21 upon 20, 21 upon 20. There are 3 0 will be cut. Okay, 2 14, 2 20 and 2 tens are. So now amount A is equal to rupees 9,200 610. Okay, so now after compounded half yearly he should pay 92,610 rupees. So now find the difference in the amount. So now difference for second method rupees 92,610 and for first method he pays 92,400 rupees. So difference will be rupees 210. Okay, clear? Right.